Most people never ship their idea because they think they need to build everything at once. You don't. Let me show you how to go from an idea to a working product with AI in one sitting. First, write your idea as a single sentence. Who it helps and what problem it solves. For example, a tool that turns messy meeting notes into a clean summary. That sentence is your whole spec. Now here's your concrete step. Open an AI coding assistant like Cursor, Replit, or even ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Build the simplest possible web app that does X. Give me one HTML file I can open in a browser. Replace X with your one sentence. You'll get real, runnable code back. Save it as index.html, double-click it, and you have a working prototype. It won't be pretty. That's fine. The goal is something you can click, not something perfect. Next, use it yourself for a real task. Broken buttons and confusing steps will show up fast. That's gold. Feed those problems back to the AI. This button doesn't work. Here's the error. Iterate 3 or 4 times. Now show it to 5 people who actually have that problem. Watch them use it silently. Where they get stuck is your roadmap. About money. This won't make you rich overnight, and anyone promising that is selling something. But a small tool that genuinely saves someone an hour a week is something people quietly pay for. Realistically, your first version earns nothing. It earns you feedback and skill. That's the real return. Do this today. Write your one sentence, generate the file, and open it in your browser before you close this video. Ideas are cheap. A thing that runs is worth building toward. Subscribe if you want more honest, hands-on builds.